Hi, greetings everyone. In this video we will see how to create a cost resource. The cost resource type is perfect for the expenses that aren't based on the time or quantity, like airfare, fees or tuition. Unlike work and material resources, you assign values when you assign the cost resources to the tasks. That way, the cost for each assignment can differ, like different airfares for each trip, and you can track the total amount for each cost category separately. Cost resources are the easiest ones to create. So let's go to the resource sheet here in the View tab. Then in the first blank resource name cell, type the name of the cost resource, in this case permits. Then when I click the type cell, project fills in the work, but I can just click the down arrow and then choose the cost. You can see the only other two fields that are important are initials and accrue. I'll type the name permit in the initials field and prorated is fine. So we are already done. That's all you have to fill in. With the cost resources, you tell the project how much they cost when you assign them to the tasks. So let's see how that works. On the task tab, click the Gantt chart button. I'm also going to display the details pane with the task forms. So on the View tab, turn on the details checkbox and the task form appears. Now we will assign some cost to the cost resources on a couple of tasks. First, there is the Visit Auckland site task. So this task already has the airfare and lodging assignment. I need to assign the cost, so I right click the task form and choose the costs. And now I can see the cost fields, so I select the cost cell for the airfare and type in the cost of that airfare. Then select the cost cell for lodging and type in the value for the lodging and say OK. Now I'm going to select the Visit Seattle site on this task. On this task, I have to assign the cost resources. So I click the first resource name cell, click the down arrow and choose the airfare. Click the next cell, click the drop down and then choose the lodging. It turns out I have to click OK to save that first before I can add the costs. And now those costs are assigned. I'll put in the costs here as $350 and here as $360 and say OK. And now those costs are assigned. I'm going to close the details pane and go to the resources. We'll go to the resource usage view by disabling this, and here you can see for lodging cost resource and for the airfare cost resource. You can see the two individual assignments with the different values for each one, and similarly for the airfare you can see the two individual assignments and what they cost. But in the summary row you can see this project has $435 and in the airfare it's $417. Cost resources are a great way to track the expenses that aren't time or material related. Just remember, you assign the cost for a cost resource when you assign the resource to a task. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.